potentially devastating side effect of chemotherapy, especially for women who consider it one of their most identifying features. Now, a little-known treatment is helping some women in North Texas keep their long locks. New tonight, NBC5's Deborah Ferguson shows us how it works.
Two things stand out as Debbie Gregory steps off the elevator, the blanket in her bag.
Somebody always asks me, every time I'm up here, why do you have an electric blanket?
And her destination, the oncology clinic.
They can't believe that I have cancer, for one, because I don't look like a cancer patient. Because I have my hair.
Negative 26, 24, 23.
But that's too warm.
That's too cold. Okay.
Wash your hair. It's really cold.
This is what Debbie goes through to have her hair. It's the Penguin Cold Cap. Debbie will sit with his helmet-shaped ice cap, chilled to minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit, on her head for 7 hours as she gets chemotherapy. It explains why she brings that electric blanket.
When you put them on for the first minute is the worst. Once your head gets frozen, it's really pretty comfortable. I know it looks funny.
And it takes a support team to use. Debbie's husband and sister help change the cap every 20 minutes, constantly checking the temperature to make sure it stays below zero.
God, it's cold.
The sub-freezing temperature stops blood flow to the scalp so that the toxic chemicals fighting the cancer don't reach the hair follicles. Debbie got the caps online from a company in Michigan. She decided the rental fee of $500 a month was worth it after seeing the cap work in other patients and getting the okay from her oncologist at Baylor Salmon's Cancer Center in Dallas.
From a medical standpoint, I'm not worried about it. I think it does make it easier to go through this chemotherapy thing when you have your hair.
When you lose your hair, too, it's a reminder that you're sick.
It happened to Debbie's sister, whom she lost 3 years ago to breast cancer. When Debbie got her diagnosis last year, she was ready for her own fight. Cancer took some of her, but not all.
Women love their hair. It's a big part of it's who we are. And going through this, being able to keep my hair is just, it's amazing.
Deborah Ferguson, NBC5, Dallas.